Question number 2. Given the complex number z equal to 2 plus 3i, represent the complex numbers in organ diagram. The first one is given z, iz and z plus iz. For this we want to find the value of iz and z plus iz here. Here already it's given z equal to 2 plus 3i. And then the second one iz we want to find here. So iz is I into 2 plus 3i. Multiply with I now. I into 2 is 2i and I into 3i is 3 into I square. That is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So the value of iz is minus 3 plus 2i. We have to write the real part first and then imaginary part. So the answer is minus 3 plus 2y. This is the value for iz. And then we want to find the value of iz plus iz. That z plus iz can be written as z is here plus iz value already we found that is minus 3 plus 2i. Then we have to group the real parts here. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then 3i plus 2i is 5i. So minus 1 plus 5i. We want to represent these values in the organ plane. Organ plane is nothing but a simple 4 quadrants here. Here this is the real part side and this is the imaginary part side. Here as usual plus and minus. Here first one I want to find the z value is 2 plus 3i, isn't it? That is nothing but we can write this as 2 comma 3. So as usual we have to plot the point as 2 comma 3 is z is here. And then iz value is minus 3 plus 2i. So minus 3 is here, minus 2 plus 3i is here. So the number in the number line in the quadrant we have to plot minus 3 comma 2. And then again we have for z plus iz we have minus 1 plus 5i. That minus 1 plus 5i is here. So this is z and this is iz and this is z plus iz here. So this is the organ plane representation in the organ plane here. Second division in second problem we have to represent in the organ plane here. Z equal to 2 plus 3i and minus iz is there. So for this minus iz we have to find the value of minus iz is nothing but minus I into 2 plus 3i and then multiply this minus I into 2 is minus 2i minus I into 3i is minus I into 3i is nothing but minus 3 into I square, that is nothing but minus 3 into minus 1. So plus 3 will be there. So now we got the value is plus 3. So 3 minus 2i is the value of minus iz. And then the next one is z minus iz. So z is here and minus iz value is here already there. So the value is 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3i minus 2i is 1 here. And then we want to represent this in the organ plane there. The first one z is 2 plus 3i. So as usual we have to plot here as 2 plus 3i is 2 comma 3. Here z is there. And then 5 plus I will be here. This is the 5 plus I. And then minus iz is 3 comma minus 2 is down. So this is the organ plane. We have to join this what we got here is organ plane representation in organ plane here.